Hey everyone! Welcome to Radical TechArt. Today, we have got something exciting to share with you. The HTC 405 Humidity and Temperature Controller from Selec. This little device is all about precision and efficiency, and we are going to unbox it together, check out what's inside, and talk about how it can make a difference in your setup. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you'll notice when you open the box is how well everything is packed. Selec really makes sure your device arrives safe and sound. Let's take a look at what we've got inside. Here's the main unit, the HTC 405 controller itself. It's compact and sturdy, with a sleek front panel and a 3-digit LED display that's super easy to read. The build quality feels premium, and it's lightweight too. Next, we have the RH sensor that comes enclosed with the unit. We also have the manual that walks you through installation and setup. If you are new to this, don't worry, the instructions are clear and simple to follow. Now let's talk about what makes this device a must-have. The HTC 405 is a 2-in-1 controller for both humidity and temperature. It supports RH sensors and RTD-PT100 inputs, making it super versatile for different environments. The controls are customizable. You can switch between on-off or PID modes depending on your needs. And with its 7 ampere relay outputs, it's built to handle heavy loads with ease. Setting it up is a breeze. It's designed for panel mounting, and the compact size of just 36 by 72 mm, it fits neatly into most setups. It even operates on a wide voltage range, 92 to 70 V AC/DC, so no worries about compatibility. And that's it for the unboxing. The HTC 405 is reliable, precise, and packed with features for controlling both humidity and temperature. Perfect for industries, storage areas, or anywhere precision matters. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.